catch her. You catch her. Carry that one. You catch her. Ah, if you move, I shoot you. You move, I shoot you.
Please.
If I left him.
Please, don't shoot.
Yes.
Look,
I'm shooting.
I'm not a bad thief, okay? Let's just share the money. Nobody's gonna get hurt.
No be
Come
Matt
on.
be this. Na Matt. Oh, calm down. I go shoot you. Yes. I will shoot you.
Do you know how to use the gun?
I will blast. Hey, madam! I go shoot you now.
That one is fake.
It's fake.
Yes.
Hey!
Give it to me.
No! I'll shoot you when I fake. Oh. It's fake. Madam!
Give me the gun.
Jesus! I'm not ready. Madam!
Let's shout, okay? Let's shout.
Madam! Farouk! Namat! Go! Come on down! Namat! Go come on down! Namat!
Calm down.
Ma, lock door! Namat! I don't lock door. Go come on down! Namat! Easy, that's it! Namat!
Now what?
Namat!
I don't
Go come on down!
Don't call him down.
See.
Kirumuna! I don't collect award for catching Kirumuna.
Namat!
I don't catch award.
Blood of Jesus!
You have no business in that name, you bloody criminal.
Move!
Hey, I beg go. Anything where they happen for here, my hand no dey. I no get hand for anything where they happen for here.
Madam, it's a lie. We planned all this together. That's why she even took off yesterday.
Hey, evil man. Hey,
She was part of the plan since the beginning of all this.
thunder fire that your mouth there. Wicked person. I don't know what you talk about. Oh, I don't be thief. Oh, so you actually thought that you could play me and get away with it?
Madam.
I told you, Grace. I told you several times that if I catch you, I will make you pay.
Madam.
And here we are.
Madam.
How you go take that kind of thing of me? I no fit rob you now. I no be robber now.
Oh.
Eh?
Was lost until you came, but now it seems something's happening to me. Was lost until you came, but now it seems something's happening to me.
I'm fine.
Oh, I'm very fine. I'm very okay. You're welcome, my daughter. Please let me.
Do you notice she's been acting really weird these days?
Yes.
More like weak and unstable.
She's not too active this stage. I think it's the old age.
hope she gets herself.
Madam, please, sorry. I think I need some money to top up the fuel tomorrow.
Fuel?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to buy fuel? Again?
Yes, ma'am.
Didn't we get a fuel tank a few days ago?
Yes, ma'am, we did.
So
But
how did you use it?
this car consumes a lot of fuel.
This is my car. I've had it for so long. I know how it consumes fuel. So how is the fuel finished by this time?
I don't know, Mom. I don't know, Mama. I just saw it in the gauge that it's finished.
How much is the fuel?
Like 200,000.
200,000?
That could last for the week. It's better.
You are robber. 200,000 for work. We kill him now. What now? Go finish you. We kill him now. Go finish you.
I don't pack everything finished. You're funny enough. Yes. I'm so sorry. The rain won't let me send it today. Don't worry. Tomorrow on failing, I'll send everything to you. Yes, I'll have my boy send to you. Chase Botacots. I go send. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, yeah? No, they vex now. How person go take back client? Yes, tomorrow morning on failing, I'm sending it to you. Yeah. Thank you so much. You don't trust me again. It's everything. I packed everything. The clothes, the hair, everything is packed. Of course, I know your size now. 2 weeks ever now. I know. Yeah, it's packed. Don't worry. You see you tomorrow morning, okay? Ayana, thank you so much. I'm going to bye. I am my love. Sure.
Crazy.
Speak English.
Where's this woman? Grace! Grace!
Ma? Ma? Welcome, ma.
How are you?
You're welcome, ma.
What did you cook?
Eh?
What did you cook?
Okay, mashed potato and grilled chicken, ma. Intercontinental.
Grace, what's up with all this grilled, this mashed potato, pounded? I'm tired. Why can't you make a proper Igbo dish for me?
Ma, you know, say now just 2 days ago you chop swallow.
I'm not complaining.
I no won't make you day. You know, say you never marry. If you begin, you go come up for market. Sorry, ma. Sorry,
Grace,
ma.
I work so hard. I be proper Igbo girl. If you want to cook for me, make a proper local dish for me.
Yes, ma.
Is it not my money?
Yes, ma.
So why are you complaining?
Yes, ma. Sorry, ma. I go adjust the food
Do
timetable.
pounded yam and soup.
Okay. Next time, ma. I don't already cook this one.
Bring food for me, I'm hungry.
Thank you, ma. Welcome.
Oops. Let me go, friend. Jesus Christ. I'm exhausted. Mama T. Mama T. Mama T.
Please. Sorry.
Don't worry, sit. Sit, okay? It's fine.
I'm so sorry, ma. I didn't know when I fell asleep.
It's fine, I understand. Mama T, I think you need to rest. You're not feeling well at all, I can tell. Look at how you're coughing. And you're weak.
No, I'm fine, ma. Let me go and prepare your bath.
Mama T,
so
relax.
that you're ready for dinner, ma.
It's fine. I've eaten, okay?
Okay.
What I want you to do now is to go... Can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Mama T, you need to rest. I can tell that you're not feeling well. Go home. Let your family look after you. If you're much better, you can come back to work. All right?
Okay, ma. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you, ma.
Have you eaten?
Yes, ma. I'm eating,
Right.
ma.
So sorry. Please, your health is very important. Make sure you take some time off to rest.
I will. I will rest. Yeah.
It's fine, yeah? Just take some days off and rest. You can come back to work.
I will rest. I will try and rest.
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you, ma.
Alright, bye.
Yes, ma. Ma, how was business today?
Stressful as usual, but we thank God.
Okay. Okay, let me go and rest.
You should, ma.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes, bye, ma.
Sorry. Jesus Christ, what a day. Hectic.
Chukumena mawawe. Chukumena mawawe. Chukume kwala mi wepere. Awawe. Chukumena mawawe. Chukume kwala mi wepere. Jesus Christ, oh me my. Ani mere wa yomu. Jesus me kwala mi wepere. Awawe. Good morning, ma.
This is not our agreement. What are you doing here?
I'm doing my job, of course. Or have I been replaced?
Jesus Christ. We agreed you were going to take some time off to rest. What are you doing here?
I know, but I am fine now.
Mama T, you're not fine.
See me, I'm standing strong. Eh? I can walk.
Do you want to fall down or wake up before you know you're not feeling well?
No. Hey, see, this body you are looking at, you see this outside one? Don't look at it. The engine inside is very active. It dey work well.
You're not strong enough. You're not feeling well. You can't be doing this hard chores.
I did tell you, say strength, dey body well. See this one, I go mop now, you go see. In fact, I feel mop the whole house now as I did so.
Are you sure you can do this?
I can.
Mama T, it's not always about the money. Your health is what matters. You have to rest.
I know. After this one, I'll go and rest.
Are you sure?
I will rest. I promise.
It's fine. Just go slowly, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll see you when I get back.
All right. Thank you, my daughter. Take care, eh?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, my daughter. Body dey strong. I go walk. Madam.
Sit, Mama T. How are you?
I'm fine, madam.
Take.
Madam, the month is not even halfway gone. What is this for? Oh, are you sacking me? No.
Mama T. Mama T, you're like a mother to me. I can no longer watch you clean my house and do chores for me. You're getting old. Age is dawning on you. You need to rest.
But I am not complaining. I love my job. And you know I've been working here for the past 5 years now. And I've been taking care of you and this house as like it's mine. Eh, why now? Why now?
I know you've done your job so well over the years. You've been so efficient with your job. But at this point, your health is what matters. I swear I won't forgive myself if something bad happens to you. I just have to let you go. You have to take care of yourself. Health-wise, you're not strong.
But I'm not sick. It's only cough, just cough.
In that envelope, it's your salary for the month. And of course, some extra money for you to go to any hospital that it's really good. So they can look into what's actually wrong with you. Mati, you're not strong.
How am I supposed to take care of myself now? How? My grandchildren are there. They are depending on me. There is no other person to do it. No other person.
Mama T, I understand you perfectly well. But how do you intend to work for me if you're not strong? You're supposed to be fit physically and mentally to work. Okay?
So who will not take care of you and this house while I'm away?
Do not worry. I'll employ someone to work for me for the meantime while you recover, okay?
Okay.
You don't have to cry. It's just like... Sorry. You're coughing again. It's fine. It's fine. Sorry. You're coughing again.
Leave this thing now. I'll beat you here. I will beat you here. Leave this thing now. Come on for this nylon now. 1, 2. Count from 1 to 100. I'm not going to leave this thing. You see this thing? We go share equal. Equal down. Now you guys come out from Bele. I know you're not concern me. Come on for this thing now. Neighbors go gather here. Come on for this place now. Neighbors gather here. In fact, village people go gather here. Come on for this thing now. Come on for this now. Leave this now. Leave me again. Mama. Grandma. Grandma, you see this girl? Mama, wake up. Grandma. Why your face be like that? Grandma. Why your face be like that, Mama? Grandma, what happened? Why your face be like that? Grandma, what happened? Mama, now.
They don't sack me for work.
They sack you. Mama, they sack you for work. What do you do now? What do bring that one now?
Just that cough one.
Because say you cough. Say that woman, Mama, no dey cough. In fact, that woman no dey cough. She's very wicked though. I swear. Very wicked woman being. Wait, Abi, you get another sickness when you don't tell us about. Now only cough will make her sack you.
Don't talk like that. Miss Joy is a better person. She only dey concerned because of my health and the cough. The cough what the cough. Let me make.
Mama, as she sack you like this now. What you gonna chop for this house? Now that one be your own concern. Now food now. Shut up.
The thing be say she no really sack me. She say make her take some days off. Then when I do okay, make her return.
She no really sack you. Man tell you now one, you know. This now the usual scope it is and the way of discharging. So if they work with them like this now, they call they hate you small. They call they find ways when they go use the discharge. Yeah. Now it is so. You don't lose the work with this so. Well, no worry, Sha. Go find out wanted one. She not be sack you like that now. No go. Mama, what you want to do like this now? Chai. Which work you want to do like this? Chai.
Vacancy. I skip one needed urgently. Martin. I want to
What be that thing you dey do? What you dey do? Why you dey put that thing there? Why you dey put that thing now? What that thing?
What's it concerning them now? What's it concerning
now? You want give my grandma work to another person? No good now.
Mama, she not telling me say she not dey work for here again.
No. How they do this kind of thing now?
Come here, no one will holler for. Mama, she don't send me a message.
No do am now, no do am. I go do that kind of thing.
I no go do am. I just go tell my dad say una don't come. Aya! Wallahi, what can see you there? What's my time? Even if you carry you online, your hand never reach here. All I do that yesterday was that. Even if you carry up, mother, she don't come. Mother, welcome. Well, I don't put her. Madam.
What's the noise for?
Thank God say she don't come. Now this is more than teach children, pa. What be like yesterday? Well, they come here. I want to face that thing. Where you tell me my face. They come to tell me say why they carry my madam, my mother something give another person. I say mother, she don't tell me. First time no vacancy. I will not put here, but they not giddy.
And you too. What's going on here? Is everything okay?
Everything is not okay.
Wait, did something bad happen to Mama T?
No, we won't see you.
You want to see me?
Madam, maybe they want to beg you for money.
Fine, let them in. Come in.
But then what? I don't understand the country children are waiting for you when they job. Children should not finish for you now. Ancient of days, people there. Ancient of days. Now old I see one. Now old I see one. She can never change. What can see she was born. Ancient nowadays. As old as now. Okay. My work she don't finish for her. I'll go.
So, what exactly do you two say you're doing?
One walk. One walk.
Work. What? Okay.
The work where our grandma they do. One continue from where she stopped.
Mama T's work. Wait, you two think you can do Mama T's work?
Madam, na small thing, no. That na normal thing safe. Because what you did, no be to sweep, no be to clean, no be to wash toilet. What's in there again? Nothing there. If you even bath dog, if you get.
Sorry to ask, but then which hands do you want to use to do all those chores you just mentioned? These two tiny hands.
And you forget to, as you see also, na small body, big engine, Yes, you're not supposed to look size, to look the ability.
Alright, look. I understand that both of you are trying to cover up for your grandma. But hey, this job requires able-bodied men and women, not kids. You can't pull this.
What you did, normal thing we do. Normal cleaning, we can do it. If you tell you say we fit do it.
It's not just cleaning. You have to work. You have to do chores. Sometimes you have to run errands for me.
We fit do it. Now what you they do normally for us now?
Why are you two not in school?
Waiting else. Don't be money. I'm money now.
Oh my God.
Even if the money, we know even they go with my myself, but even if the money if they put me for school, I know go. That one a waste of time. Not true, sure.
Well, you mean you've not gone to school before?
And time go waste time finish, no do anything. School na scam. If I waste time for school finish, I'll come dey use my certificate to dey do wetin dey find work. Now I know say if I start now dey find work, I go make am that time. You wey no go school, shebi you don make am. No be you get this better house, no be you buy car. Wetin? No man, no, that's we did a joke for us.
Wait, did Mama T tell you guys I didn't go to school?
No, not like that. Not be like that, Sha. She tell us. She say you drop out from SS1. Not true.
Yeah, she's right. But at least I went to school. I did primary school and of course, junior secondary school. So I have basic knowledge. That's what's happening in my business today. If not, I won't have business knowledge. So what I'm saying is you have to go to school first before you work.
We'll go. Time not the run. We'll go later. We'll make money first.
But you have to use time accordingly. After school, you come for work.
Ma, we fit do please. We fit do the work first, please. Make we do this work, abeg. Before my grandmama come, she go don fit carry the work continue.
So you're saying I should let you work for me?
Yes, ma.
I won't have any issues.
No, you don't regret it at all. Trust me.
I can trust you with my stuff.
Yes.
You do chores for me.
Yes, ma.
You run errands for me.
Yes, ma.
No, I have to talk to your grandma first. I have to make sure she's fine with this before I can proceed.
If not, I'm not. That means you don't accept us now.
No, not yet. I'm just wanting to talk to her to be sure that she's cool with this.
No problem. No problem, ma. Which room will be our own? No, calm down.
This one, way too often I won't go work for that place. Now me they take care of una before. No, I won't begin take care of me. Wait, I don't like this kind of thing.
Calm down. Should I don't tell you the worry. Calm down. You don't want to go secure your job. I mean, you want to lose the job.
I know, sir, you want to secure the job for me, but this one will be saying now too often I won't go there. How me I gonna do for here now, I will do.
Mama, we don't tell you. Calm down. They calm down, And she Auntie Ginika dey here. She gonna take care of you. Kukumani, she not gonna get job. At least we gonna check on you sometimes. Yes. Sorry.
Okay, as soon as I don't talk like this, I agree. But I beg, Mukuna no go touch anybody thing for them. I just they tell now, don't touch anybody's thing. No fight, no quarrel. Na person house now they go so. Once I do okay, I go take over my job back.
Mama, you feel bother yourself. We don't tell you stop all the thing. Now this kind of thing where you dey think that you go drink garri. Go drink garri. Now go bring spoon.
One na they drink.
You
yes,
sure?
they drink.
You sure? May you know they bother again.
It feels so magical.
So, remind me your names again.
My name is Chadika. And my name is Chebuna. You can call us Chadi and Chebu for short.
Grace! Matt! Come. Where's Matthias?
Okay, see
Let's go.
Alright, fine. Farouk! Come.
I want to share salary today.
Alright, so these two are going to be standing for Mama T until she gets better. She's been sick, she's been feeling well. And I need someone to, close the gap for me, so I had to employ them.
Sorry for your grandma.
Yeah, it's really sad, but we hope she gets better soon. You know your jobs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You clean everywhere, tidy everywhere, make sure everything is in order at all times.
Yes, ma'am.
They don't play here. This is serious business. Whatever you pick up, make sure you drop it back where you saw it.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
break things. My things are very expensive. You've seen them, right?
Yes,
I trust both of you. And for the rest of you, you know your job so well, right?
Yes.
Face your work.
Yes.
No time for play. Do your job diligently and do what is needed for you at the right time. Are we good?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you to accord them respect. I don't want you looking down on them because you're small in size.
I go even take them as my own children to love and support them.
So you have to accord them the same respect you've given Mama T all these years. Are we good?
Yes, yes.
And if you have any difficulties, report to me. Whatever happens in this house, you report to me directly.
Yes.
Are we fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Alright.
So, Matt, is the car ready?
Indicate. Yeah, go.
So you can go back to work.
Okay.
You're working inside,
Alright.
right? All right, bye. Wish you the best.
This house no be house of happiness. So all that laugh we on they laugh that time, madam, they here. We no need them. This na house of seriousness, house of work, hard work, dignity and labor. I no want see any meandering and people just they run kitty kata kata everywhere. For this house, I get cane for inside there. And we know they take nonsense for this house or then sack you. If I tell madam anything, say I'm not happy with una services, she go sack on sharp sharp. Always make sure say my office they clean. Say that kitchen always they clean. They mop them, they wash all the plates, cut the vegetable, anything was and una do na go do am una hear me. Or else I go tell madam make she sack una. Vamos.
Over there, she's funny. Say not by size.
Farouk!
Yeah, I'm not by size.
Call my phone like this now. Why you don't they call me? Like say now you buy phone for me. I don't tell you say I go bring her. I go bring her. So free now for to call my phone like this. You won't kill my battery. You won't take my soul. I beg not they call my phone like that. I beg. I will come. Yeah? What be this? Which time when I take enter here?
No, no be the issue, shall. I won't tell you say we're hungry.
You dey hungry? Le. You never even start to work, you don't do one job. Eh? Now food you come here chop, I been at work, you come here work.
Don't be person wey chop dey get strength to work. I be no faint for you. I tire o. I no faint.
Go, make una dey go. Go, I dey come. Go wait for me.
This is why you dey tell us go. Quick do am o.
I said go now.
This is why you dey say make we go wait for you. Dey press phone. If we go wait, no make us spy for you o.
I said go, I dey come. Ah. Go. Aye.
That dey look you so sef. what is the end of this measuring my food? Why they measure our food they give us? Why you can't give us 3 slices of bread?
Oh. So for your full mind, I go carry 1 full loaf of bread, give you, Abi? Eh?
I don't understand now. What I want is this thing now do? This thing appetizer been a what?
Make you dey used to them. Now so we dey chop for this house. We dey chop like human being. We know they chop like wild animals.
No,
here.
if you come this house, they chop like beggars. You cannot be chopping like beggars. Come and give us food. You cannot sell me this one. I don't let this kind of thing, no. For us, who they chop 1 full loaf of bread, 2 of us go share them. I don't understand. Now we come here, go and they chop this kind of thing. Now like this, now we cook ma they go house now. I don't say we not to get, but we not be beggars. They chop better food. They chop better food. Hey. I mean now when we come here now, I just say at least we go they chop better food. We go chop fried rice, chicken, bread and fried egg. Come here, come they chop this kind of thing. What is this now? See. Now what be this? What am bread? 3 slices of bread. If this bread safe, if I put 1, I put them for my mouth, it don't go now. Just say on hunger the cat person is not. They even beg you food. She cannot send me this one. I don't let this get. See now, see. Me see me rose cut up better chop the one where you see. Me no come carry am. We all come now, since you no go chop am. You know say na me they get the strength pass for you. Who tells you no chop am? I know say you no go chop am now. No be am I want chop so.
Was lost until you came. But now it seems something's happening to me. Was lost until you came.
Now waiting now.
Where
How
you
you go just say waka like evil spirit we get bad intention? Oh, again.
Where you dey go?
How that one take concern you? You no get work where you go do for house? Eh?
Well, the thing be say I never clean my that room, and I don't clean everywhere. So many that room. So I want to ask you for key.
Madam room they always lock. Only she and Mama T they enter there. No access for anybody again. If you won't enter there, wait till Madam come back, you collect key from her. Go find another thing do.
Okay.
Hey, what till they do? What till they do for them?
I will help you carry the things now.
Who go help who? Who go help who? Between you and the bag, who go help each other? Bag way big pass you. Make her hear what? Go find another thing do for house because.
When they say who go help you, who go help you. No be the bag they carry you so. Pressure.
Business woman, she done they make him.
Father, what did they do you now?
I know, bitch.
Why you go there shout like say you be town crier? Oh, get it.
No, bitch, I'm watching them they go again. Today I'm watching she go sweet. I want Kai. Don't forget say we'll give my 10% if I become back.
Ah, me sure no dear. Which 10%? You and who? You and who follow they do business? They tell me 10%. Because I'm getting.
Okay, now me she the para for. Kai, if you not give me that 10%, well, she not go pass for here.
What?
It is another flow with my 10% to Makumago, rest of my voice, my dash boy, hear me. Kai, give him, I go give him for my 10%, or I no go give him, she don't go back.
Person no they play with you again. I just they play now.
Now she done there for it. Then there for it.
I just they play.
You give him my 10% to go.
I go give you something.
With my mouth.
Say I go give
say which one is something? Say talk with my mouth. I will give him 10%.
I go give him 10%.
No, don't say I will give him 10%.
I go give him 10%.
She know what we know. Say I will give him 10%.
I go give him 10%.
I come they go. My business she don't go today. They go. Madam she know. I like you. But I want 10%. Wallahi, sai shi ne na ba da latol. Wani na wata 10%.
What you dey do here? What you dey do here? You dey chop. Wetin happen now? You dey chop. Why no go chop? I dey work, you dey chop. My sister, now you say you wan do that one. Me, I go chop. Oh, you know, guess how you want to do me? Say I no go chop for this life. I don't understand this. Which one say you don't understand me? Yeah, they so they see me. They hungry. They hungry. My sister, if you don't want chop, you know what it be osa. You know what it be osa. If osa knock you one like this, 2 by 2, you go maintain. Now they talk, you see they do what you they do. I don't go do it, my sister. If you want chop, see bread, see everything. See how they arrange. This bread is soft too. No soft, it's strong. No go carry everything, you go use the shop. Give us only 3 slices. You see what I try to. My sister, carry things, put the chop now. Enjoy yourself before she come back. So you see the things I don't select myself. Don't go select your own. They caution me. Caution me. My big sister for a reason. You don't tell me. I won't tell you this thing now. You don't tell me say they can't stop. Take. Use this hot water. Use small hot water. It's okay. Yeah, go to stamp. Chop. I'm not so strength. Oh God. Now go to stamp. Then you say they can't chop. I did the work with the chop. You say you won't work. Now just make sure that you go no. Now you chop a plenty. Now you take plenty. I don't want to know that they can't come. You know, start to do with this. Now you chop plenty. Maybe they admit. See me, watch me, see what I they take. Now small, now small take. Nothing like mix sense. Now small take. In case they catch us, make you talk true. Now small take. That was the camera, not there yet. At least, if they catch us, they will not say that for shop. What did they do? What did they garbage this? Pour water for me. Look at pour water for this thing what you do. Misha, you say you want water. Here you. Don't do. No verse, I know the same. Give me that chin. Put them back. Just peanut too. Come on, peanut. What's it? Yeah. What's in your own now? Give me what's in your own now? What you want to put for that thing again? You want to put sand? Only you want chop. Yeah. You see, your hands go open today. You want to be open. And so your hands go open. Not today. I know they give you anything. The food. No go there. She can't come. How would you know? That's where I... No, not talk first.
Why keep me standing here since now? I tell you say I don't get anywhere where they go.
But I tell you now, they wait make my madam come out first. You self supposed to understand this thing.
Nah,
No
no dey talk
vex,
that thing
no vex,
abeg.
no
Ma
vex, no
check
vex.
first whether everything complete.
Now when me and you start this business.
Oga, I want check whether everything complete.
Everything complete. No time when no complete before. You supposed to understand me now.
You sure say complete?
It complete. Thank you.
Why you come dey count am?
I know they count time. I just dey check them. All right. Bye-bye.
Stand up. Where would they put all these things? Where you carry them come from? Now, stand now. What did the worry this one? What this one be? Now here you bring all of them. Now here. Carry this thing, go wash am. That's the wrong. Back now. That's the wrong. As if they won't catch us, they don't catch us. Where you bring out all the food? Put them back. I said this one. What if put them back. Put them back. You have food. Don't use food. Set up for you. Go enter. You like food. Put everything back. No, go walk. Go come back now to catch person here. No, leave that one. That one dead there. No, go walk. No, go walk.
Right now it seems something's happening
Business
to
woman.
me.
I don't say today she don't sweet go. You settle boys. Guy, what about this one?
Now money now, you dey blind?
What you say now money they go like? Why they give me 1,000 now? I will collect this thing.
Business not too good like that. Manager.
What you have business she no good. Carry 1,000 give me. I put this on money make account what you.
Now yala. Make you come collect money from my for what?
What you want now yala?
Who you be?
Hey, come for here. Come. Me and you. Boy. I never tell up. Hey. Now me.
I got.
Boy. You man. That's the money now. My problem.
Yeah. Farouk, no try am. Farouk, no try am. Farouk. No.
Hey. Now my 10%.
Idiot.
Bokana she don't know me.
I don't blame you.
You know me Bokana they calling me Alaji. Farouk. Kwaza. Zabulaza. She don't know me. Katabu.
Animal.
This woman, my mind the time say this woman not okay. She not okay. Like why should they behave me? Since when we come to SAS, I don't notice her cookery movement. I dey suspect something. I dey suspect something. Cookery movement. Which kind of movement be that one? You blind. You don't know what to be cookery movement. I ask you a question now, you insult me. No, I know insulting because I don't go insulting because you don't have sense. You don't have sense. I said cookery, you are asking me. Me and you there now, you see the kind of cookery. Take it easy. Don't they insult me? Don't worry. You see me, I actually get news. I be news magnet. Yes. No news if you pass me by. I go grab her. I will tell you what's in the south in the south. Don't worry. We'll do it that way. Now me you tell that one. No, who be that one now? Who be you want to do aproko? Okay, you don't call him Aproko. Yes, na Aproko you dey do. Don't call him Aproko. Be Aproko you dey do. Now only you dey support me. Now only you still support am. Don't be Aproko you dey do. You don't get one person where you are a devil incarnate. And you never even see the second part of me. I never see him up. You don't worry. I don't want to see him. Just dey go your way. Idiot. Aproko. I don't blame you. Now me call the gist now. Now make it. Tell me that. I beg if you find the gist, you gist me again. Your mind won't touch ground. Idiot. Yeah, who did that nonsense? No, come on for road. I don't understand. No, come on for road. I don't understand. But your mind now is sweet.
Tell him to get those things back to me. If not, we're going to have issues. I want everything sent before tomorrow. If not, I'll cancel the order. Yeah, because it's taking too long. I don't have that time. I don't have luxury of time. Yeah. Please insist it's sent tomorrow, unfailingly. All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah?
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you girls?
Fine, thank you.
Thank you so much. And how was your first day at work? Hope you didn't have issues with the chores.
No, not at all. We clean everywhere. We clean just upstairs, downstairs, and everywhere. And you see us everywhere they shine. Now wait one.
Yeah, I could see it from downstairs. That's great. Good job.
If you want to clean your room, but we no fit, we no can clean them. But if you still want me to do another, we'll feel on it. Yes.
Oh, that reminds me. I know you guys didn't have the key, but here. It's a spare key to my room. Only Mama T has access to this room. And only she had this key. I trust her with my life and she did not fail me even for once. So can I trust you too?
Yes, ma. Very well. You can trust us.
With my key?
Yes, ma.
With my room?
Yes, ma.
And my belongings?
Yes, ma.
No one should have access to this room. In fact, that key should never touch another hand. Just both of you.
Give us 100% trust. Nothing will happen. In fact, we'll safeguard this key with our life. Yes, sir.
Well done, yeah?
Thank you.
High five. It was a great day at work today. Eh?
Okay.
All right, tomorrow we go again.
All right, so thank you. Do you want anything?
No. Just tell Grace to get my food for me.
All right.
Yeah. Shut the door behind you. Oh, Grace.
Yes, ma.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma.
Slept well?
Yes, ma. Food stuff don't finish. So we need to restock. So I don't write list, ma.
Gracie.
Yes, ma.
Didn't I buy foodstuffs last week?
Now so we see amo. Madam, the thing shock me, sef.
Okay, so what happened to the foodstuff we got?
The thing shock me, oh ma. It shock me past you. You know, say, new people don't dey our house. And these children, honey, don't be silly. Honey, go. The kind way they chop, it just be like that abyss where they for hellfire, where they say things they fall inside. The media triangle, things they fall inside, they know they find them again.
It's fine, give it to me.
This one even better. Her sister, Aye.
Bag of rice. 150k. From where to where now? How?
Madam, you know say as the fuel price, they double. Now so it they affect now.
No, Grace, rice is 70k if I remember so well, right?
Everything they double, ma. As fuel they double, food price they double. Now economic metrics, ma.
This is too much. Wait. Crate of egg. 20k.
God will help us.
20k. I go talk for this one. Which one is 20k now for egg? The farm where they lay the egg, you get golden yash. I mean, who be the supplier? EFCC supposed go arrest us because
This is too much. I can't buy egg.
You know, go just shut up there. Now your business, you know, go face.
She has a point.
This is too much. I can't spend this kind of money just to buy food stuff. I don't understand.
Madam, that crate of egg, you know why it be that price? Not be ordinary chicken. They lay those egg. Now special fowl. I know they go the one where old layer born, or the one where broiler they born. And they buy the one where okoko rock they born. If you hold that egg in your hand, you go not say something special.
Grace, it doesn't really matter, okay? What I'm saying is I cannot use that amount of money to buy a crate of egg. Okay? It's not gonna work. It's too much.
Madam, you know say, Lena again now, you know say you be a chalugo. You supposed to eat special something.
Madam, I know where you go fit buy crate of egg for 6K.
What?
Yes.
Crate of egg 6K?
They no go fit cheat me. Me na street girl normally. They cannot cheat me.
As in 6,000 naira?
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, he go there careful because many of those fowl, those egg, now fowl will get disease, now I'm born now.
I lie.
Where is that? Where is the place?
Anytime when you ready, just tell me, I will carry you there. They even have, they used to have cage where they put their fowl. You be there, you see the ones that are even laying egg. Not be this one where they go whine you. Oh no, criminal acts now.
Yeah, I think we should go with her plot because it's better. I can't be buying this amount for just what? Egg.
Madam, those give away egg. The fowl, they get disease, oh. You go there careful.
Take this, Gracie. I think I'm done here. And Chegu, when I'm ready, you come with me to this your supplier, whoever. That's what we're buying from now on. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
We can buy from our plug. It's much cheaper. I don't have that kind of money. Please. I work too hard to spend this much. I'll see you guys when I'm back.
Madam, quality over quantity, oh, market disease.
No quality over quantity. I want use quality to chop money. What's it? Want chop me raw? What's it with the blood of Jesus? Blood of Jesus, you cannot harm me. You cannot harm me. Light over darkness, lightness over darkness.
Hey!
Him who is in me is greater than him who is in you. I am bigger than you. You too. I got you. That's what I do for you. I don't corner. No, see.
Hold up, brothers. Just hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on. Freeze. So, now what you they do for my bag with this? You they enter my office. They defile the land. What be this? What? Your mouth not feel open again. No problem now. No be fight. We are one. Make her help your ministry. Start to the job. You like food, Abi? You must finish this pot of rice. If you drop that spoon, if you drop that spoon, man swag you up more here. Start to the chopper. You must finish them today. Collect another one. You must finish this food. Chop up. Come on, my friend. Full am. Full that spoon. Carry. You must chop that food now. Chop up. What? Chop am. Put am for mouth. Chop am. You must chop am, oh. You must not be food you find. Chop am. Chop am. You must put the full spoon for your mouth. Open wide.
Why you do my sister like that?
You don't go ask your sister. You don't go ask your sister what she do. She come here, they thief food. No wonder food no they do everybody for this house.
Ordinary food where she thief, now you want kill her. If she call robber, munko.
Ngwa that ordinary food where she chop, she must vomit am by the time I finish.
What's that? For my front?
I said you must chop am.
I will bite you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine. How are you, man? So you're going to take me to the shop, yeah? From there, you take Chiegu to the market. Make sure you help her do everything she asks of you. Assist her in everything. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
From the market, you bring her back to the house.
At your service,
Make sure
ma'am.
you help her do everything she asks of you.
Sure, ma'am.
Are we good?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll see you, Gwen.
Oh my God. See me now. Hey? Kai. Saru gallant. Oh, be small. Saru gallant. Hey. Be small. Yeah. Kai. Okay, yes, just small. Oh, yeah. So this is soft like today's bread. Kai.
So you're telling me you have a place where I can buy these things at very cheap prices?
Yes, ma. That is what the waka up and down for market. And there people carry their market, they go deliver.
And you're sure you can remember the exact places where they sell these things?
Asabi Road past Google Map. I know everywhere now.
Alright, that's fine. And Matt will go with you just in case you need help to, carry your things. And of course, maybe you're lost and you want to find your way around. He will assist you, right, Matt?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, fine. Okay. Jesus Christ! Matt! What was that?
Sorry, ma. The car has been developing some issues since yesterday evening.
Park. Why didn't you tell me on time?
Sorry, ma.
Which one is sorry? Matt, sometimes you act so unprofessional. You know I have to go to the shop and now you're telling me this. I'm supposed to be delayed for some time. For over what?
I went to the mechanic yesterday. I wanted to fix it and then come back.
You would have had it fixed before now. You know I'm going to the shop. I have my schedule planned out the way I want it to go. Don't be a hinge to it.
The money they called was too much for me.
How much are they calling? I don't have time for this.
Ma, they said they have some issue with the spark plugs.
Matt, how much is it?
It's 100,000 now.
100K. Not be 100K need to know. I just 2.5 for sort it though.
Wait, what do you know about cars?
Ma, even though I don't know plenty things, I still know some things about cars. There's this my neighbor that his name is Papa Jobosco. He's a mechanic. I used to go to his place once in a while. I help him fix things. This pack something, I can even fix it. It's not hard. It's not be big deal now.
You, this girl. This is not a child's play now. What do you know about car? Do you think this is a play?
Who's playing child's play? Let me go and call the Papa.
Wait, hold on. Ma, just park the car here first. Let me make some calls.
Ma, I've called the mechanic. I was just supposed to.
Don't worry. I'll settle this myself. You had the entire time. You didn't do anything. Let me handle it. Don't worry. Do you have this John Bosco's number?
Yes.
Alright, fine. Just give it to me. I'll call him.
070.
070.
33.
You don't come back?
What do you do here?
Food done ready. I say make I come call your sister. You know say she be chop. I come see I say she dey sleep for madam bed sef.
Now why you come madam room without permission? Who give you permission to enter here?
I don't tell you say I don't come call your sister before she go die for hunger. You know say
You
her
dey
belle
comot.
be- her belle be valley.
To come out. You enter here. Before I go come madam tell her say you enter her room.
How
without
market?
permission.
Hey! If you fall inside my pocket, you no fit come out again. No.
I dey suspect you. I don't trust you again. I don't trust you. You dey mad? Come here. Now only to chop and sleep, you sabi. Only to chop and sleep. Come clean room. You can't dey sleep. You dey mad.
Wetin now? Wetin happen? Anybody interested?
You don't even get respect. You dey sleep for madam. Oh yeah, carry this in the comot. Carry am in the comot. Don't chop finish now. Come clean room. You no fit clean. You dey here dey sleep.
swear everything don't change since those two wench come this house. Eh? It just be me like say no be work, then come work. Then just come to monitor us.
Tell me about it. You needed to see the way Chinebu, or whatever they call her, the way she was behaving in that car, like a detective. She just ruined my plan. You know, I arranged with the mechanic that I'm going to give him something good. You know, I want to build Madame something heavy so I can have something in my pocket for this weekend. And then she opened her mouth. Over Sabi. She don't spoil my plan.
Now so that same girl, that same Chebunam, I don't already carry list give Madame. And as usual, Madame now, she don't already want, she for one collect them now. Maybe she will just complain more, collect them. The next thing, this girl just open mouth. Wow. Say she's happy where she pass. Waiting. Now way Madame just collect, give me back my list, say, now she go they buy things for market.
I hear them now, as they talk. Those two riches, they are everywhere. They ask so many questions. They listen to everything. And Madame listen to them also.
Not be only that one now be my problem. Farouk now don't they over tear eye. He just they holler me every day, they threaten me, say he go talk or say make her they give him 10%. 10% for waiting he do.
That guy is the entire problem on his own. But don't worry, I'll handle him. Let's don't lose focus. Let's be focused. And for those two witches, they can never take food from us. Where would they go?
Those girls, we need to do something about them. Because one small mistake now, if they just blow our cover like this, no problem be that.
I just want us to calm down. You know we have plans. We have plan A and we have plan
B.
And if plan B doesn't work,
we start plan C.
I was trying to put my job. Those two witches for this house.
What is up? My sister. I tell you see this grace na thief, criminal. If I see anybody wey be evil person, my spirit they tell me. Like our spirit no they ever agree. Now I make a tell say that woman I dey suspect her. And today I catch wetin she dey do. What she do? See anytime when she want go market, go buy something for madam. All the food stuff, when she go add money, join all of them, she go just add money. Sometimes she go even go dey sell madam food stuff. She go buy food stuff for madam, she go sell her, keep her for madam. The next time she will tell madam say food stuff don't finish. No one she dey sell her. Hey. The math, in fact, all of them, all the workers on madam, all of them are wicked. But the maths, that one they plan with a mechanic them. You call the tell madam say, your car get issue, your car this one, your car this one, they go to chop money. Today, you can't write to madam say, I can't no green move again so that she will get the money. I catch her right down there today. I catch her. So this is where they happen. Madam don't know anything. How she won't do? Person with the work. Everything she dey work. Every day of her life, she dey work. She will come out for morning, come back for night. Jesus, these people get mind. Won't keep the work, but put the shop. How she won't know? Oh, these people wicked. How she won't know? Try. Who go tell madam now? Who go tell her? What would you do for you? Tell her. You get evidence. If you tell her like that now, you go be like say, we set them up. We just want to talk bad about them. True talk. You guys put eye for down. Get that better evidence so you can shock them. You understand? It's kind of thing. You don't talk about mouth too. Because now madam go say they accuse them. They accuse them. And all these big men them. You know they like when they accuse people with that evidence. We go knock them. Yeah, these people are better criminals. Like better criminals. Jesus! Wait for see this money. Huh? Written. Why you forget this kind of money? Now, Saya, I do. Take. Now, Saya, you do. Take it now. You and Grace now. Who was past? Who tell you, I don't thief am. Grace the thief, me I no thief am. Take, Osaya. Now Osaya do for when I go market. Now Osaya, take. I no thief am. Okay. I buy things. The small money remain. I take can. And the change will remain. And madam even there aware. She even there happy say I buy things cheap.
You sure?
Nah, she. Let's say Mama the call. Pick up. Hello, Mama.
Hello, my daughters. How are you?
Fine, Mama. Good evening. Mama, how you doing now?
I'm getting better. Your auntie took me to the hospital and have been given some drugs.
Yeah, thank God though. Mama, I hope so you do okay.
I'm feeling stronger now. How are both of you doing?
Yeah. Mama, you get what I want to tell you so. You see my sister here? Again, she tell do madam. She come one collect something. What's the magic is? Wait now, wait. Shall not give you. Come on, take. Let me see. You are mad. We should do one thing. Shall not tell you, madam, no. Atifam. Come collect my see. See me when they even do good acts and they give you money while I make today they mad. No one. Come and collect again. Let me see. In my back. Thunder fire. Thunder go help me. Fire you.
Was lost until you came, but now it seems something's happening to me. Was lost until you came, but now it seems something's happening to me. Right now it seems something's happening to me.
Hey. Hey.
Tell him say, you know, if you come again, may you come house, come carry him. Wait, I know that, so you won't make you come here. Shut up. Why they like to question me? Me and you meet. So you know this. Type something. I don't know. They ask of address. Address. Tell him say, hey, what's the address of this place? Hey, don't forget the address. You still remember the address? Plus, I remember. You be like, you no go type rubbish show. Be like, so you remember. I don't sing that. No worry. You go come. Where everything cost. What of that food? The food call. What you go do the food? What do you want to do? Who could chop am now? Chop am. Don't that fire you there. Who want you, Oma? You get mad? Everything about you na food. What did they worry you this day? Don't forget, say the Ogu way you say you won't kill my mama and I say mama. Nah, your own mama you want make no be ordinary talk and they talk. You know, man, you fit. You know, they call. Pick up. So if you come, everything will take the food. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Before you go chop and mama collect am. Before you go chop am, everything about in food. You no sabi anything again for this your life where you come. No, they insult me. It be like your previous life, na food they use kill. Maybe they starve you. You get your madam play, they starve you, they maltreat you. You know, coffee give you food, you can't die. You can't come this life. Say na food, you go chop that food till you die. Abi, you go.
Oh my God! Grace! Grace!
Ma?
What is it?
Not to know. Everything correct, ma. Everything all right.
Why are you sweating?
Sweat me?
Is someone chasing you?
No, not just... Madam, he's done too much for this country since this government enter.
We have aces in this house, so why are you sweating?
Nah, bad government, ma. Nah, madam, I've been the cook and then extra heat just they enter.
Grace!
Ma?
What's wrong?
Nothing. Are they okay?
Hey. Come over here.
Let me tell you something. I am not leaving this place if I don't get what I ordered for.
And then one day leave this place. Come, nothing consider me consider over and overload. What did they do over here now? Ma come over here. Come now, allow madam come here. If she come here, na kasala go boss pa.
What? I don't get it. Is this how you behave? I keep telling you that I bought something online and I'm here to pick it.
This is the punish me. Quite see this my boy. If our person will lie, everything will boss.
Now I see you want war.
What's going on there? Is that not Farouk's voice I'm hearing?
I don't know.
Why is he yelling?
I don't know what's that.
Farouk!
Come over here.
Excuse me.
I didn't care.
Leave me. I'm not leaving this place.
I go. Okay, see.
Farouk!
Come over here. Now that one will give you.
Hey, stop! Can you stop? Oh. Hey! Wait! Farouk! What's
Madam,
this?
no base. And madam, this boy, pa. She just come here and tell her, say, no, the person she define, she not here. She come to degree that, they tell me myself, say, I must enter. She will tell me, if I don't want me to go single, I go harder, or come, I go give you war. I tell me, war. Cut off. If not, but can no lie, try this to lie. Why no? Boys go then show. She know me.
Young man.
If not, but can you do me this type of thing?
Who are you? And what exactly are you doing in my compound?
Auntie, well done. I ordered for food online. Jollof rice and turkey. And this is the address that I was given to come and pick it up. I'm here to pick it, just simple. I was trying to explain it to this man, but he couldn't listen to me. I don't know what I did.
You ordered for food?
Yes, ma'am.
And they asked you to come to this compound?
Yes, ma'am.
Get out, it's a mistake.
Auntie, get out. What?
Just hold on. Excuse me from here. Ma, this is the WhatsApp number that I used to test the owner.
And I said it's a mistake.
Madam, this is the...
We don't sell food here. You want to force us? Get out!
Now, by post.
Ma, this is the address that I was given to come and pick the food I ordered for. Look at it here.
Come on, if this number, I don't know what I like. I tell Mama, I like her. I like her very well. If I don't know what, she go collect.
Jesus Christ. Farouk, look. This is not Grace's picture on this DP. Grace! Ma! Gracie!
Ma...
Who this?
Kire!
Are you sure it's this number? Wait, just give it to me. How is this Grace's number? No, it's the right number. Everything is so it's Grace. It's not Grace. Huh? What's this man?
Which man?
What's this man?
Which man are you the talk? I don't see any man. No.
Will you stop that nonsense? Who's this man?
Which one?
And look at me here, I say me.
What?
Grace. Who's this man?
For my full grown-up life, I never seen this man before, madam. I swear to God who made me.
Look at him well. Look at him.
Wait.
You sure?
Wait.
You're telling me that you've never set eyes on this man before?
This man no be my spec. I don't know him, ma. I don't know him.
You said you don't know me, right? You said you don't know me, right? Let me tell you, I'm not here to start explaining myself. It's either you give me what I ordered for, or you give me my money, because I'm not here to play with you.
Wait, which? Oh! Now the thing just columbilate for my mind. Madam, drug, they're very bad. Say no to drugs, man.
Say no to drugs. She dey kill her.
Hey. As I just dey waka for road, they go market to buy things where I go cook for you to keep you delectable. Madam, that's why I see this boy for road. Honestly, all of them.
Queles. Queles.
Him brain don't bagam.
She don't boast.
I just see him for road where he just they do like this. Now I say, chai, see humanity now. How I go just pass like that? I say, make her help him. Because I know, say, as God don't bless me with better work where you give me with better madam. Sometimes if I chop my food, they remain. I say, instead, make her they throw away them as we no get dog. Make her they carry my remaining food. They give this boy. So I don't give him once. I don't give him twice. Now, he don't turn him to say, now by force.
So you don't sell food to him?
How, ma? How I got to sell? That is fraudulent activity. I no fit to do like that for your house, ma.
Now God will bless you. Kai.
Now dash, now help. I say make her help him. Now why they know they help people?
Colos, right? Colos, right? Me take you film kakuta Colos now. Give me my money. Give me my money. Leave him. You're never carry my phone. Leave him.
Your point, she don't go. Your point, she don't go.
You're not carry my phone. You carry my money. You're not carry my phone. You carry my money.
Your point, she don't go.
Give me my phone.
Your point, she don't go.
Give me my phone.
Your point, she don't go.
My phone.
She don't go.
I don't leave you. 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 Give me my phone.
Grace. Mama. So you've been running a catering business behind my back? Like you've been using my foodstuffs to make meals and sell online?
No, ma.
Don't even think of lying to me. Do I look dumb to you?
Okay, ma, make I confess. Make I confess. I confess. But not just this one time. I never do that kind of thing before. Not just this one time. Now just recently, I just say make I just open that account. I just opened that online account. Then as I open that account, now anyway, this man na my first customer is you. I never tried him before. Now my first customer.
Let's get it straight. So you're telling me that you've been using my resources, my money, in my kitchen, under my roof, in my house to make money behind my back. Madam, I still pay you every month. I house you. I feed you.
Madam, Buto, kamwa gezioko. Kamwa kinkebu ezioko. I have never. I don't know how this kind of thing take happen. But you know what? Somehow I know my village people are supposed to be next in line to serve the ROC where they my village. Now I say, I don't go do them. Yes. They say let me go serve the water goddess. I say, now crime today yellow. If you yellow, you must serve water goddess. I say, bah, I must break the line. I say, no, I know they do. Now when they chase me, sometimes they go just
do my brain one kind to do what I not supposed to, madam, no be me, Ezioku. Ezioku, no be me, do am. Ezioku, I no understand as the thing take happen. I still dey confused. Short, it no go ever happen again.
It can never happen again. It will never happen. In fact, if it happen again, make I die. It can never happen again.
Hey, madam, this can't see they talk. It be like say they enter gear to talk. Say you want sack me, madam, if you sack me, I go die. You gonna die. I this one.
Take your hands off me. Me, sack you. You must think very low of me. If you think you have drama, if you think you have drama, I have drama times 10. I've been poor before, you know, right? I've been broke. I've lived in the hoods before. So I understand everything you're doing here. You see, sacking is not going to work.
Thank you, Jesus.
Grace,
thank you.
I can never sack you.
Thank you.
Me, Joy, businesswoman. I never will sack you. You're going to pay to the least of every money you took from me. In fact, you pay everything and even pay what you did not steal from me. You think I'm joking? You think I'm playing? I've lived in the hoods before. See this drama with the display? I don't display on times 10. I've done every single thing you're trying to play before me now. I know it. I know all these things. You're going to pay. You will pay. You will walk. You will walk and walk. You overwork, underwork. You walk every single thing that you, the one where you steal, the one where you not steal, you will walk. You think I'm playing with you? Eh? Low budget businesswoman. You want to do business. It's my money you want to use. Grace, you're playing with me. I have fire. You understand why they call me Joy when you don't get joy. I don't have joy. Nothing like joy for my face. I don't get joy, yo. You know they get yourself. You get them now. You think I'm joking? And as from this month, I'm taking away 25% from your salary. As a matter of fact, from next month, it's 50. Nonsense.
What you go
and hey, I don't want to see your foot in that store again. Just go in now, lock my store, and hand the keys over to me. Move it! I think I'm joking with you in this house. You turn my house into a business home. You're making money of it. Go and lock my store and bring the key to me, my friend.
Madam,
are you still here? Go and lock my door.
Wait, 55%. Waiting on remain.
Low budget businesswoman. You want to make money off me? Nonsense. You think you're the street? The street lives with me, oh. I accommodate the streets. Grace! Grace! Get my key. Grace! Are you still... Bring the key for me right now.
She never said anything. I said, she could explain tire. That's not who is it.
Broken, lonely, it really feels so bad to get it hard.
Hello. Apa? No. Somebody there like persuade. I don't lose the container. Apa? Tell her what's the so let's help you. At least book will help you find now. That will find out for you.
So, now wait if this thing. Now I know say na both of you now where they behind this thing. My God go judge you. I go do you back. First to do no the pain, no. First to do no the pain. Now second to do.
Really?
I go show you.
I don't know so second to do the pain. Okay, see what I'm saying? That your phone. We hold on. And we don't see everything where you had this child. If you talk to them now, what the madam saying? We don't see as they sell her food stuffs. Yes, so. We tell her say this one she catch you do now smart thing compared to what she do for this house. Go run the streets. Your mind go down. So humble yourself. They talk to us. They talk to us like you're picking. They talk to us like your fellow woman. You understand me? Make they talk to us like say we senior. Yes. They talk to us like say we senior you. Yeah. You understand? Go. Look, I tell you. This is talking where you cook for us. I don't like them. It's too hard pepper. Not to add pepper again. Because I know they like pepper. They like pepper. So, not to add pepper. No flex criminal phone small. Change your pose. Change your pose again. Ah, who be that person at your back? Come on then, I just smile my picture. I tell you I won't snap you.
I beg, I won't talk to now. I beg.
Want talk to who?
I beg.
Wait till be that.
I say make I talk to now. I beg.
Talk now, they hear you.
I beg. Thank you so much. So una never tell madam about my phone wey una see. I beg you tell am, I beg God beg you. Anything wey una want, I go give una. Anything wey una ask me, I go do. I beg.
So you feel they humble like this. You feel get soft voice. But now you the para, yara, open my tongue, how they talk.
No, this soft voice now follow come.
Okay, now follow come. But you be the para before. No, they get for you. Now what for you? You know, say you wicked. You wicked, oh. This madam will just quiet. They do her own things, they give you the money, they think settle nothing more, you not like them. Say now wickedness now like. Now they chop the woman say like now food you know they chop.
See, make una no too deceive. No, they look this madam like that. She no pure as una they think am. This madam, she stingy and she wicked. Eh? Since 1 year where I done the work here, she never give me a promotion, give me a salary increase one time. Never. Her hand tight. And my whole family, they rely on me. So I got to double my hustle.
You got to double your hustle. By stealing person money, person suffer. Money where person suffer gets. Now 1 year you don't work or you don't they look to increase. Now so now they think. If you can't work 2 years now so you go kill her, you should not increase your money. If you work 1 year, you don't have pockets. No be agreement to not agree before you start to the work for her. She forced you to do the work. The worst thing is they don't even they work anything. They're very wicked. If they work, you they chop the food where you they very wicked. Which you they find?
Make una no just judge me like that. Oh. Because if to say una dey my shoe, you go do the same thing.
God forbid. I will get them 100 million times. We not fit this your shoe, this your smelly shoes where they use till they spoil everybody so. We not fit there. Which kind should be that one now? What you want give us? This kind character. See, look I tell you, our grandmama train us well. She train us well. So this kind character, we not fit copy him. Now you go copy our character.
Look who they talk. You where they come thief food for kitchen. You follow they talk.
Look I tell you, my sister, that one have food. Nothing but the food. So you come they beg with shoulders high.
Sorry.
You are begging on your shoulders, you are putting your shoulder, you are still doing like boss. Yes. Where they go? Come on here.
Sorry.
Shoulders down. For tell her say this thing what she do just now no good. Well, for still tell her say now we dey in charge now. Say if this thing, if you come back here. Come back. Where she dey go call her? Where she come here? How go leave her now? Go call her. Ma tell her what madam talk say. Ma clear. Now who dey rule now? Hey, come back, come back. Come back here now. Not to follow me. Stay for back. I know you hear when madam talk say now we go dey control you now. She be hear am. Yes. Ma dey monitor you. Yes, she even give me key. Say make you no cross her kitchen without my permission. So if you want chop from today, you can't tell me. If I see you near kitchen, I swear, go cast. You know, say this thing what she do now, she not go chop today. You not go chop today? Yes. Now tomorrow you go chop. Unga go finish it. Sorry, ma. They go back there. You know what to be also? You go tie your tummy, go tie your liver, tie your destiny, everything. Vamut! Done. What's the meaning of this? I know so you don't want to start without your line of in this house it's like woman be. Hey, one woman be so we are woodlums. So feed us like woodlums. Okay? Madam, you see this rice? You know go reach half of the worm with this my belly. So you go add rice to this thing. Carry and go add rice. Never even see anything, you are sweating. Then you bring more juice. Yes.
Make I bring the rice.
Go and bring rice. Fast. Amount juice, so let the juice be cold though. Very cold. This rice. What nonsense. So we should bring more rice. And we can just add everything. What did they do? Maybe wait for your own rice. What did they do? If she brings your own, don't talk about it. Waiting. See, I'm not done now. I'm not going for this thing where you want to do me. Hold on. See, no be hold on. We go chop this food together. Calm down. I'm lying. Let's bring your own. You say waiting. Let's bring your own. Let's bring your food now. Let's bring your food. Calm down now. Me must stop. I must stop from this side. I must stop from this side. Oh, like yeah. I know they like this guy to see. They do me bad thing. What this place? They do me bad thing. Hey, Mayo, Pepe, hi. Hi. Don't go Pepe for me. Hi. Sorry, now you the cost. I know the year word.
Hey, yeah, Pepe don't enter her. Hey, yeah. Oh. Hey, yeah.
Take this one. Very still. I'm not going to see. I'm not like this kind of thing. You don't take your own food now. Take your own food now. What's the one this guy says? So sweet. So sweet. Cheers. That's a good life. I swear. Good living. Hey. Maid.
Ma.
Maidy. Oh yeah. Fast. Oh yeah now. What's wrong with you? I should be turning my head. To talk to you.
Sorry.
That plate not soup and very well. Go sip it like this. Come, let me see. Yes. Fast. Move fast. Moving. You shock your body. Don't be static. Shift. Do you want to enter me? Uh-oh. Aya, come here, come. Come and see this thing. Come and clean it. Auntie, come and clean this thing. Are you squeezing your... Clean it well. Use energy and clean this thing. Clean it well. Don't be doing this thing. Clean it very well. Use energy. Why are you squeezing your mouth? Use energy. Maid!
Yes.
Go and clean everywhere, the rooms, clean all of them. Clean and finish, come and tell me. Say, Ma, I'm done. And clean the toilet. Make sure the toilet is clean. And do that before my time come. Fast. Do fast though before my time come. Come and let us know. You hear me? You hear me? My neck. What is it? As I turn the ass and question, hey. Come. Come here, come inside my neck. Come back. They look. If I don't talk to you, they will fly you on time. They let me stop. Down neck. Come and massage. Massage it well. What is it now? What did I do to you? Must you match me?
I don't match you.
What do you mean? Not match her.
I don't match him.
So my sister is lying now. Why do you match me? I come and massage my leg. I'm going to massage her. I massage it. Massage it. I don't this thing, no. Come on, do what? In fact, two of them are the same. Yes. Yourself. Do my leg, go. You want to farm me?
Sorry.
Do you want to farm me?
Sorry.
Should I slap you before you learn? Should I slap you?
Sorry.
Don't take it easy again now. Do you want to break this my leg?
Hey.
What's wrong with you now? Do this thing. All that you are doing, you have to kill me. Why are you pressing like that? Tell me what you're doing. You are pressing and getting bread. You tell me what you're doing now. You tell me what you're pressing. Massage this thing when now. Calm down. And squat. Oh, squat. Fast for every like puff. See now, get bread they press like this, so. Eh? See mouth. Now squeezing mouth. Yeah, smile. Smile. I saw your village with a smile. Are you complaining?
No.
Do you want? Anybody will go hide me and my sister. That I go blind. Yes, so. Anybody will go think bad thing for me and my sister. That person ass go squeeze. The blood come out. Blood where they the heart go come out. Press something. So this night. You want to see? Good maid. Keep up.
Ezoku, I no think say for my life I go ever be like person where they break in hand just tomorrow like that. This pikin don't do me they play me as football. They send me message up and down and I'm not fit to answer them because I don't want make them go talk.
You allow them now. You allow them. You allow those kids to turn into a slave in this house. If it was me, but now I don't twist their mouth.
Hey.
But what happen may happen.
I know if you take that risk. I know if you try am. Small part of my hustle where madam see she almost kill me. Wetin go come happen if this pikin go tell her the real deal? Na die I go there now. She go just throw me for kirikiri.
So you will let them blackmail you and enslave you like this, right?
Not just for some time. When their grandmama well, then go come up for here. That one I with this yo. Wetin they do me now be say, it just be me like say are they on permanent menses. As they do me so, are they in pains of brokenness? Are they broke? Are they broke? The brokenness self enter my eye. My eye they red inside the eyeball. No business. Money no they touch my hand. I need cash.
Same here. We have the same problem. Do you understand? Madam, now even to buy fuel, now she dey buy fuel herself.
Hey.
Anything I ask her, any money I ask her for, she go still go why.
Hi, why am I wicked? Very stingy somebody. Akagom. I won't take to him now. Now what for you? I won't go ask those children for key. Upon all the suspicion where they my head now, make I go ask them for key, make them wrong, go tell madam.
Who told you about asking them for key? I did not.
Then how I won't take enter that room? I won't disappear.
Listen.
You dey crazy?
Why they do like police? You be police.
Kitipa. Thunder. I beg, Condego, before she go.
Yeah, the outside. I bet you finish food, just call me, eh?
Was lost until you came, but now it seems something's happening to me. Was lost until you came, but now it seems something's happening to me.
Hey! I swear, life is sweet. Enjoy it to the fullest. Enjoy it. Yes, sir. Don't do away. No, enjoy it. That's right.
Chalubus. Beautiful maidens. Don't carry food.
Who tell you say we want chop? Who tell you say we dey hungry?
I be think say una don hungry by now.
We tell you. Oh, you must see why. You want to make them say, oh, she too they do. Abi, at the guy you see go keep when we hungry, we will call you. Kayana.
See, no dey look this food less like that. Oh, this food sweet. Oh, I wash hand cook am.
It's sweet.
It's sweet die.
That means.
Prepare a special for now.
Oh, chop now. What you do? Maybe I will chop. You dey mad? Now food though. Okay. See, we don't want that. We don't want that. We not that cheap. If you want milk chopper, give us drink. We're not that cheap.
Okay, I dey come.
You go try to mind yourself. You go try to comport yourself. You hear me so?
What happen now? Food be this so.
I
We not go see the food again.
Chewing maybe before. Now chewing be this.
The food sweet oh. It's sweet.
I tell you say it's sweet.
I don't understand. Food
Tell
now.
you say you want chop.
That food they talk like this so.
See,
Put that inside my eye. No, put that. Miss, mama swallow.
sorry.
You know they drink alcohol. Carry that thing.
Yes, we know they drink alcohol. At least find out soft to drink. The one way no get alcohol for inside.
Buy your rubber.
Okay. What of money to buy am?
Take your money. Take her. All the money we don't steal from madam, where is it? You don't chop and finish.
Okay, no problem. Anything for you.
Quick
I
go.
appreciate you now.
Quick go.
Stop that thing.
What's happen?
Stop that thing now.
What's
You
happen?
believe now, she go call the thing say she don't get us with food.
What's happen
So they
now?
go sell you go evil forest, maybe you go find golden egg. You go chop your destiny finish. Till they worry you.
I don't go. I come.
Okay.
Make una chop oh.
We go chop. See? She dey pick
See what? You see what? What do you see? You dey mad? Control yourself now, this game. Control yourself.
this thing na food oh. We no go see am again.
They no teach you manners. Person give you food, they tell you chop am. Make sure you chop am. Your man don't tell you, okay, what if they put poison inside? You know, you go chop am, you go die. You know, counter the reason thing.
She no fit put poison for wetin she go give us.
Counter the chop. I know say she no fit put poison. Counter the chop am. Okay. No be everything you go dey pretend like say you go dey do like say you never chop since they born you. So sometimes you go do like say you no hungry, but true they hungry. You go just pretend to do shakara. Make she be the one to dey force us food.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
If you dey do she go use and catch you. If you make your enemy know your weakness, your weak point, they go use and catch you.
Okay, I don't want chop again.
Yeah, chop.
Mm-hmm.
Chop. Now so you go dey do am, she go dey beg us like this. Do you understand? No tell her say our weak point na food.
Okay.
Do you understand? Rest. Now you will sit down. So we make you the shake. Hi. See food now. Check it out. See. This way again. What's this one? Calm down. No rush. Calm down.
I don't buy the soft drink, oh.
They say we no throw away this phone. Now so we go die throw away.
Ah, wow. So now so this woman wicked like this? If I tell you something sometimes, you try to listen to me. Why you tell me?
I no. Are they smart? Person wey no dey now the thing treat am, make go even give us food. Now he go give us food like this. Now come dey even beg us no chop am. Mama, I no tell you.
No, this woman wicked though. The worst thing be say she can't carry her money used to go buy us drink.
No, go see what she dey do.
My sister, I no join you for this one. You see this one where you won't go do? Me, I no join you. If she comes and say we not come die, call. She go find another way to kill us.
Do they fear? We will go. Let's go.
No, they like this your idea. This your idea. I know they like her.
Then keep this key. When they carry this key, keep. Jesus!
No fear, no worry. Calm down. Now, human being will be no be ghost.
Yes.
Flesh and blood. Now, human being.
Forget about this white cloth where we wear. Now, human being will never be.
How come now?
How come now? You ask how come because you know what you do now.
Yes.
I no poison you now.
Did I talk poison here?
We not talk poison.
Nobody talk poison. Now you know what you now you dey cast yourself like this. Who talk poison for here now?
I no poison you now. I just small sleeping medicine where I put for now.
Sleeping medicine. You get my pussy. Oh, now that sleeping medicine, you know what you go do? You enter this house. You know, so now we get authority now. Now we get power.
You enter inside this house, clean them from starting to the end.
Everywhere.
You see this one where get small dots, so you will clean and you make sure say they shine.
Then
you know what you see? You see this AC?
clean all this house. Clean. Go
What
inside.
What the wall you go clean? You see all this stuff?
Everywhere.
You go clean now. You make sure say they
How we won't climb clean AC?
How you take bicycle?
No, they ask.
Hey, now waka.
Waka go do am. I don't know how you want to do am. I give you 20 minutes.
20 good minutes.
20 minutes.
I beg.
Go inside this house, clean everywhere.
I be just won't collect key, go collect something. Now why? I don't want wound anybody.
You no concern me. Go carry ladder, climb this thing, clean all this AC. 20 good minutes. I will come back for you.
Hi.
No
Go spare pepper.
Hi. Which kind of wahala be this? Key I no even see. So wetin be the point now of all this suffer where I suffer?
Yeah, I wanted to convert cash to dollars today. Yeah, but my plug didn't come through, so at this point, I don't know what to do. I have to. Yeah, because I have a trip to make on Friday, and it's very important. So I need to get someone to get that money to me. If you have someone that can, I can trust, that has good rate, that can do the thing for me, I'm just going to be very happy. No, now it has to be dollars. You know how portable dollars is, and this money is much, so I need someone that will have good rates, so I don't lose too much. If you have someone, it's fine. It works. That's okay by me. Yeah, it works. Yeah, I'll give you a call when I'm home. Today's fine. It's very fine. That's okay by me. Yeah, it works. Today's cool. All right, my love. I'll call you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, I should travel Friday also. I'll still confirm my time, my departure time, and get back to you. All right, thank you so much. That's gonna help. All right, thank you. Okay. Ooh. Matt, is everything okay? All right.
I have some vital information that will benefit the both of us. Yes. I overheard Madame on the phone. She's planning to convert a huge amount of money into dollars for business trip. But the plug she has disappointed her. Now she has to wait till Friday before she can move the money from this house.
How that won't take concern us?
We will move the money before she does.
God forbid bad thing. That na plenty money now. If madam catch us now, straight to jail. Abeg, I know say I need money, but I know they desperate like that.
She will not catch us. That's why we need to be smart. We need to be smart and have a strategy. No suspicious. We just need to act fast.
I'm going to wait to be your strategy.
I have a plan. I just need some details. Just give me some details and leave the heavy part for me. I will handle it.
Waiting be the plan.
All right. First, I need some details. How the house is running. When Madame and the kids will be sleeping. I even want you to take off on Friday night. Maybe you can call sick or just take off so you will not be around. In midnight, I will sneak into the house, go up to Madame and collect the money. Nobody will see me. In the morning, we'll come to work. Nobody will suspect us. They will suspect those two kids, those witches.
That plan, they make sense somehow. But what about Farouk?
Leave Farouk for me. It's not a big problem. I want to do it. Chris, let's do it now. You know, because of those two kids, we are not having money anymore. Madame is too observing all the movements we are doing now. Let's do it. Forget this thinking. Let's do it.
Grace, what is it?
Madam.
What?
You get something I won't tell you.
I know. That's why I asked, what is it?
They just call me now. Say, get one kind sick where my mama just is sick now. Say, make I hurry along, make I come see my mama. And I need to see him this night.
So they called you that your mom is sick?
As at the first time when they call me, her eye don't dey close to 50%. The next time they rush call me, the eye don't close to 75%. And she talks say before the remaining 25% could complete, she won't take this her two eyes see me again. So all them back I'm gale mama because I need to go see my mama.
So you want to go see your mom today?
Yes, ma.
And you're telling me today?
Yes, ma. An emergency something.
I'm sorry, Grace, you're not going. Yeah. This is not a free enterprise. You can't just walk up and tell me you're going to see your mom and you expect me to tell you go and see your mom. No, I need you around.
Okay, ma. Thank you for your wisdom and judgment. Mama, mama. Oh, nene. Nene. Ne mama. Chukunabiko. Tebaram Chebaram
Grace, Biko, Gawa, just go. It's okay, go. Gawa.
You mean ma? Oh, God go bless you, ma.
If you come back here, I'll change my mind.
Sorry.
What kind of a dramatic person is this? Grace!
Ma?
Grace!
Ma? I hope so you no one change your mind, though.
You're leaving today, right?
Yes, ma.
I want you back here first thing tomorrow morning.
All correct, ma. Are they active for morning? I go day here. The Lord has done it finally. Finally.
Is that for me?
I just sing praises to my Lord.
Yauza na kwashe kaya na yawara gata na abubuwa shi school kaya na mawagon shi na yi kaɗanwa yawara wannan waga shi na bage what's that one? Wallahi, don't take my life, no. I can no rest. Wallahi, I can give her my children, I can give her my wife.
Keep quiet.
I can whatever she get when you go inside. She get 10 billion. Go later.
Take me to the generator house now.
Generator kuma ga she don't live in generator she. I don't move wallahi, I can no rest.
I need access to this house.
Access.
Give me the keys now.
I dey go. Okay, what's the small one?
Move. I said move. Move.
Wallahi, I don't move.
The keys.
I dey here.
Wake up.
Stop.
Wake up now.
Stop now. If you want chop, go chop.
Wake
No,
up.
stop.
Wake up.
You know, say they vex me. I know they like that thing now. Stop
Thief dey
now.
inside this house. Wake up. No dey sleep. Thief dey inside this house.
They worry you now. No, they know when some person they play now.
I dey tell
They
you
know
the
when
truth.
person they play
I
now.
dey tell you the truth. Thief dey inside the house.
What is that?
I say I see thief. He dey inside.
When you want see thief, I know they like this thing now. Stop. Fast down.
Yes.
Come now, ma, they see you. Stay well.
Inside the house.
If I go down, no say anything, you go see your eyes.
Wait. Who go there? Who call police? Because the thief dey parlour. He cover him face.
You get police number. Start the one yourself. You get police number. What's you? But wait, true. You say you see thief.
Yes, I see thief.
You
He
see
dey
thief,
parlour.
I been a spirit. Or na your dream. The thief be saying a dream now, you know.
No be dream. I no fit dream that kind thing. Come run from inside kitchen. Come. Thief. He dey parlour. I see am. He wear this thing for head. He come wear black clothes.
For this kind of house, those no dey locked. Oh God, how we dey? Where our phone?
He dey with you now. No be you dey with
me
you.
now.
With you. I give you the phone. Oh God.
You just say na thief. I be you no see person shadow. You know say if you use eye see person shadow.
I see this one. He wear black clothes. He wear black this thing for face. He come carry gun.
You carry go.
He carry gun. Better gun.
No go first.
He dey kill you. I no go do burial for you.
Now you dey go kill. No shut up there. Now you dey go kill.
No go back. Coast clear.
But I shut my door. This is strange.
Good. You catch her. You catch her. Carry that one. You catch her. Ah, if you move, I shoot you. You move, I shoot you.
Please.
If I hear him.
Please, don't shoot.
Yes.
Look,
Shooting.
I'm not a bad thief, okay? Let's just share the money. Nobody's gonna get hurt.
No be
Come
mat
on.
be this. Na you. Na mat. Na you. Okay, calm down. I go shoot you. Yes. I will shoot you.
Do you know how to use the gun?
I will blast. Hey, madam! I go shoot you now. Shoot
That
her.
one is fake.
It's fake.
Yes,
Hey!
give it to me.
No! I'll shoot you na fake. Oh. Jesus. Fake. Madam!
Give me the
Blood
gun.
of Jesus! I'm not madam!
Let's don't shout, okay? Let's shout.
Madam! Farouk! Namat!
Now what?
Namat!
Go.
Come on!
Go.
Namat!
Don't
Coco, madam! Namat!
You don't
Sir.
Calm down.
Ma, lock door! Namat! I don't lock door. Coco, madam! Namat! Easy, that's it. Namat!
Now what?
Namat!
I don't
Coco, madam!
Go call him madam.
See,
Criminal. I don't collect award for catching criminal.
Namat!
I don't catch umbrella. Hey, give her award.
Me madam confess.
Allah, I don't catch umbrella. Who
Who
collect
catch her?
award?
Na me catch her.
Catch him, Nami, catch him.
Shut up.
Driver.
Which one is the driver? You are over your team. Which one is the driver? I go drive with Kiresi. I go drive with Kiresi. The Kiresi.
Shut the camera. What you hold you there now?
Catch Nami, catch him.
Ma, Timothy.
I go leave him. Catch him. Blow.
Ma, Timothy.
Yo, what's up?
Ma, Timothy.
Farouk, good morning.
Wedding gire. Welcome. I see my mother.
She's fine.
My mother, she don't
She's
well.
fine. She don't well.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Farouk, you know whether...
I know from now.
Nothing.
Nothing. I'm sorry. My mother, she don't die.
God forbid.
What is that? She died, I don't know.
Blood of Jesus!
You have no business in that name, you bloody criminal.
I don't tell her, bring for
Move! Hey, I beg go. Anything where they happen for here, my hand no dey. I no get hand for anything where they happen for here.
Madam, it's a lie. We planned all this together. That's why she even took off yesterday.
Hey, evil man! Hey!
She was part of the plan since the beginning of all this.
Thunder fire that your mouth there. Wicked person. I don't know what you talk about. Oh, I don't be thief.
Oh. So you actually thought that you could play me and get away with it?
Madam.
I told you, Grace. I told you several times that if I catch you, I will make you pay.
Madam.
And here we are.
Madam, how you go think that kind thing of me? I no fit rob you now. I no be robber now.
Oh.
I no fit.
Interesting. How did you know he was trying to rob me? Because no one mentioned it. How did you know? You see? You're not even smart enough to be a thief. Alright, good. You want to deny this? Let's look at this. Will you deny this too? Grace? What level of ingratitude? What level of betrayal? I took you both in as my family. I gave you shelter.
I've been feeding you all these years. I've taken you in as my own blood. And then this is how you choose to repay me. With theft, with deceit, with robbery. Both of you conniving to steal from me. How? Why is the heart of human so wicked? Why?
My village people. Madam, my village people. Madam, I beg. I know if you go prison, ma. I beg, ma, please help me.
Neither can you stay in my house.
Madam, please.
Madam, please. Just have mercy on us, please.
Have mercy, madam. Please, not this man.
After all the favors I rendered you, after everything I've done for you.
Madam, just one more chance.
Now him force me. He said if I don't do, I go kill my mama. Madam, I beg. Oh. Madam, I beg you. Madam, I beg you.
Officer, take them away.
Oh, carry on.
Madam, please.
I beg, madam, now your hand I did.
Take them away.
Hey, Oga, I beg, no vex. Oga, I beg, no vex. I beg, no vex, Oga. Oga, I beg, no vex. I beg, madam, I don't feel go prison. Madam, I don't feel go prison.
Come on, madam, just walk, please.
Now we catch up. Ha, you know when I catch up. Come on, now we catch up. No, I don't call it award. I'll catch. I will not.
Farouk, come here.
Want to give her award of tip catcher over here. Oh,
you're fired.
Well then they don't go far. And then we catch them far.
I know you helped in catching them. But at this point, I don't want you in my house. You want to know why? You're dishonest. And you hosted this whole thing this entire time.
Well,
you didn't come to report this criminal act to me.
Well, I was telling me about my mama. One of my wives, they telling me don't touch. They don't want to tell me touch. They don't want to tell me don't touch. Come on, then they give her 1,000. Come on,
you decided to keep short because you were getting crumbs from their tables, right?
Now what an alive. I no collect crumb.
Get out.
I no collect crumb.
Go and pack your things and leave my house now.
Well, no best. I no collect crumb. Tell them I no collect crumb. Now 5,000 I collect.
Pack your things and get out, Farouk.
Nobody give a salary for the month.
Well done, girls.
Thank you, ma. Don't say that will be the real FBI for this work. We're going to the FBI. Some period!
I must say that your coming here is not by chance. It was ordained by God. I mean, look. Things that I couldn't figure out for such a long time. You guys came in and found out within no time. I was living with the devil in my house. I was in the midst of vultures. And I had no idea. And because you came, all this darkness was brought to light. All I can say is thank you. I don't even know where to start from or how to say it. But believe me when I say I am super grateful for having you three in my house. You don't know what you've done for me. I swear, if you should understand how much I was about to lose, then you will know that my gratitude is not fake. It's not overly exaggerated. It's real. I don't know how to pay you guys. Thank you. Thank you for choosing to be honest. Thank you for choosing to be loyal in the midst of liars. Thank you for choosing a good path. Thank you for being yourselves. Thank you for not letting this bad environment contaminate your good behavior. God will bless you all. God will richly bless you three for me. God will meet you all at your point of need. Amen. Mama T, thank you so much. You've been nothing but a mother to me all these years. You've been loyal to me. You've taken care of me more than my mom could even do. My God will bless you. And I've decided to see the both of them through school. I want them to go to school, I want them to have their degrees, and just be something better tomorrow. I can't just have them work for me like this.
Ew. Thank you, madam.
Martin,
God bless
no,
you
no.
richly.
You don't have to do that. Just stop, okay? Sit. I should be the one thanking you, ma. You don't know what you've done for me. God will bless you, ma'am. And for your medical bills, I will sort it. From today, I'll take care of every bill that you're supposed to pay. I will take care of your drugs, in fact, everything about yourself, and you don't have to work for me. All you have to do is come and stay here. If you wake up in the morning, you take your bath, you eat, take your drugs, and sleep. You're aging, and you can't be stressing. I got you, okay?
Ew. My daughter, you have done more than enough already. This is too much. This is too much. It's too much.
It's fine.
Ma, thank you for everything you say. But out of everything, you get one that just changed my mood.
Did I say something bad? I'm sorry if I did say something bad.
No something bad, just me. I don't feel like I'm not say. You say you go put me for school, you put us for school.
Yeah.
And I tell you, say I don't want to go to school. Me, I don't get schooled. No need to waste your money. That money when you want waste for school, give me the money. I go use and do something important.
Chibu, I understand you. But you have to go to school. I was once like you. I didn't want to go to school. I was just about my business, how to make money. But trust me, if I had a means, I would have gone to school back then. You have a means. So what do you do when you have a means? You make use of it. Okay? Alright, fine. See how it's gonna be. If you don't want to complete school, at least get basic education. Do you know what's basic education? Sense that you need to communicate every day in life. Good morning, how are you? How's business? Just basic education on how to, relate with people in the world and not get, misunderstood. It's just basic. Alright, if you get to secondary school, you don't want to go to university, that's fine. You can come to one of my shops, you learn how to do business, and if you do well and have good grades, you never can tell. I'll open up a shop for you and then we're good to go. Since you want to do business, right? Deal?
Deal. No problem. But for this one, I'll go to school. And I'll come up. Me too, I want to start business.
What kind of business do you want to do?
I want to put big restaurant. No time. No time. She go chop all the food there before customers will come.
Oh, so what Grace was saying is true. You guys have been finishing my food in this house.
Push can keep talk well now.
My daughter, please don't mind them, Thank you. Thank you very much.
You don't have to thank me, ma. It's fine. That's enough, guys. Enough of the stories. Right now, it's time for us to celebrate. And of course, family, okay? Family these days is very hard to find. People that you can trust, people that you can call your own, so I'm going to toast to this. Are you ready?
Madam,
Yes?
you know they drink alcohol.
No, it's non-alcoholic. It's a fruit wine.
Okay.
Yeah, it has 0 alcohol in it. I'm going to start.
Oh, thank you.
Excuse my right.
Thank you.
Sorry. Okay. You guys are welcome. Feel free to do whatever you want to do. It's your home too. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. So we're gonna cheers. Don't drink yet.
Hey.
Papa can say food now your problem.
You don't feel wait.
Don't worry, I'll just put more.
She will finish everything.
No, don't worry. Let's cheers together.
Wait.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
To family.
Cheers.
Okay.
lost on